Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. I wanted to do another unboxing. Mother's Day is just around the corner and I wanted to show you guys what I got. Now this is for myself. I'm not a mother, but I needed to treat myself, and I'm aware that Cartier is about to have a price increase very soon. I was told May 16th, and I had a little cash to splurge, so I had to get this before it went up. And this is probably going to be one of my last Cartier purchases for a very long time. Just putting it out there. This right here is something that I got for the women in my life. I met a wonderful SA who really hooked a girl up. So I'm going to start first with this bag right here, and this is literally all I got, and it's the Louis Vuitton Les Parfums. It is their miniature coffret set, where pretty much you get mini perfumes. And my line of thinking is I am going to individually gift wrap each perfume and gift it to a special mom in my life, in addition to other stuff. But this will be the main piece, and I think this is a great idea if you want to knock several birds with one stone. So this is the packaging it comes in, and this is the piece. And I love this detail right here. And this is the set. This is so lovely. And it comes with 7 bottles. This set comes with, let me see how many ounces this is. It comes with 7 10 milliliter or 0.34 fluid ounces, which will make a great travel piece. And my idea is I want the ladies in my life to see which scent they like, and maybe one day I might be able to get them the full-size bottle. This set comes with the Rose Devant, the Spell on You, which is a newer scent that came, I think, last year. The Matière Noir, that's a good scent. The Corbeton, another good scent. The Eau de Absinthe, another good scent. I'm not French at all, so I'm trying my best to sound French-like. The Attrape-Rêves, this is my favorite scent. The Étoile Filante. And yep, and I think I already said a Rose Devant, but this is the set that it comes in. Unfortunately, this size is not refillable. Just be mindful if you decide to get this pretty much a trial set. And one thing I really love about Louis Vuitton sets is that a little goes a long way and the scent lasts all day. It's very highly concentrated. This will be as close to the extract, I believe that's the term, the extract version, or the pure perfume you can get. But this is this piece, and my SA was sweet enough to give me several bags where I can individually wrap them up and put other trinkets in it. I also obtained a bunch of samples. Oh, that SA was so sweet, and I love that SA, and I'm definitely gonna keep in contact with them. So this next piece, I'm so excited for. It was an impulse buy, honestly, but it was on my wish list. I didn't expect it to get it so soon, but again, I had a little extra cash to splurge, and I also wanted to get it before the price increase, because I don't know how much the price increase will be. So this is probably going to be one of the last few Cartier jewelry pieces that I will get anytime soon, but who knows where life will take me. But as of now, at the time of this recording, that's what it is. So here we go. And of course, you got the bells and whistles. This is the Cartier seal. This is a certificate. And this is the receipt. And oh, I got two lovely pouches. If you saw my last Cartier unboxing video, unfortunately I didn't get a Cartier pouch, and I told my SA what was going on. They said they was having a shortage, but if he can find me at least two, then he'll get me one, and he did. So I actually have a Cartier pouch finally for my ring. And here we go. We got the seal here. I'm excited. The beautiful wrapping. We got the Cartier box right here. And this is it. I got me the Clou, the small model ring. And finally have another piece to add to my stack. I got this in a size 58, which is 2 sizes small from this size 60 ring and 3 sizes small from this size 61 ring. And it's a perfect fit. It fits all my fingers very well, the right amount of snug, so I don't fear it like slipping off like what happened to my original first love ring. But isn't this gorgeous? So now I actually have my Cartier collection. I love it. This completes it. This is the yellow gold, if anybody is curious. And I plan to wear it as my everyday piece. So I have 1 or 2 more jewelry pieces, not from Cartier, that I want. And it will be silver or white gold, and it will be on this hand. If you know me, I like to wear my golds on this hand and my silvers on this hand. I don't know why I do, but that's what I do. But this is it. Well, you guys, I appreciate you for watching this video. I hope you all have a great, wonderful Mother's Day. Even if you don't have a mother to celebrate, or if you're not a mother, take the day off to just relax and enjoy yourself and spoil yourself, okay? If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.